All right, now that our delicious fudge is all cut and ready, it's time to take things to the next level and make it look just as irresistible as it tastes. This is honestly one of my favorite parts of the whole fudge making process. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I package fudge for gifting, because presentation is key when you want to make someone's day a little sweeter. I am Arina. Welcome to my channel, where I share my favorite recipes and tips to help you create treats that look just as amazing as they taste, all from the comfort of my kitchen to yours. If you're ready to dive in, you'll find links to all the tools and recipes I mentioned down in the description below. Let's jump into it. So, first things first, I always start with white paper cupcake liners. They're just the perfect size for individual pieces of fudge and keep everything neat and tidy. It's like each square gets its own little stage to shine on. Plus, they add a professional look. Kind of like you pick these up at a fancy chocolatier, but no, they're totally homemade. Next, I use cupcake boxes that are designed to hold 2 cupcakes each, but they're the perfect size for a few pieces of fudge. I love these boxes because they have a little window on top, so the recipient can sneak a peek at the fudge inside. It adds such a cute touch and lets the deliciousness speak for itself even before they open the box. When I arrange the fudge in the boxes, I make sure the pieces fit snugly but without being too tight. I want them to look pretty, not squished. I hope you're having just as much fun packaging fudge as I am. If you're loving this packaging tip, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on more sweet and simple ideas. Have you packaged fudge before? How did it go? I'd love to hear your tips and tricks. Thanks for sticking around. Let's dive back in and finish up packaging this delicious batch of fudge. Now for the finishing touch. I seal each box with a Homemade with Love sticker. It's a small detail, but it makes all the difference. That sticker says, "I made this just for you," and really adds that personal, thoughtful touch. It's one of those little details that makes your homemade gift feel extra special, like it's wrapped with care and attention. Plus, who doesn't love a homemade treat wrapped in love? And there you have it. Your fudge is now beautifully packaged, ready to brighten someone's day. These boxes are perfect for gifting to friends, family, or coworkers, especially around the holidays. I always get so many compliments on how cute they look, and it really makes the whole process feel so rewarding when you see people's faces light up as they open their little box of sweetness. But hey, if you're looking for more fun packaging ideas or tips on gifting fudge or any other homemade treats, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got plenty of ideas to help you get creative with your holiday gifts. Thanks for joining me in today's video. I hope your fudge gifts turn out beautifully, and I can't wait to see how you make them your own. If you're like me and love to prep ahead for the holidays, don't forget to check out my next video, where I show you how to freeze fudge. It's a game changer. for getting all your treats ready in advance and staying stress-free during the busy holiday season. Happy gifting, and I'll see you in the next one.